Right, that's going. Let's get over here. Yeah, that appears to be good. Although I can't. It's not giving me any video. Actually, it's weird. Whatever. It's YouTube being YouTube, I guess. YouTube being YouTube again. F you, YouTube. F you. You can be a pain in the ass sometimes, you know that? Real pain in the ass. Oh, there it is. Oh, right. Today, what I'm thinking of doing is, like I said, technically this is the program, like really program specific. Technically this isn't, but you know, might as well, because we won't be able to put that, we won't be able to put this, which isn't program specific, into a library, but we could have put this into a library. Flip you, I know. So what we're gonna do is, first I'm gonna look it up because I don't want to misspell this. Okay, so I'm gonna library. All right, so I have a library folder now where I can put window. Can I go to window.lua? That's called window.lua. And I'm just gonna copy this, put that here. Technically, I won't need any of this. Okay. And now I'm gonna have to change some stuff. So I'm gonna do local library is equals to a table. And now I should be able to do that. There we go. Should we call this system instead? I can think about that later. This technically doesn't need to be local now. It needs to be library.logic thread and library.system thread. And then we can just return the library. Now, of course, every time we use this, I need to put library dot there. And input practically the same, only input requires a lot more of these. There's a lot of changes. Can I not just do edit, replace this with Okay, that should be all of them, right? We would know. I am going to change this to system, however. System Lua. Since that is basically the system. And now we technically don't need any of this. This is all deprecated now. So we should be able to do a local library, local system equals require library. I get it right. Library system. Module not found. Of course not. Attempted to index global input in nil value at 11. Ah. That worked. Okay, we managed to completely transfer that over. So now we need to edit, replace input dot with library input. Okay, what else? We also had app info. So edit, replace, no title. And this is just so that we know things aren't set up correctly. It means we have to do it correctly in here. So this 13/09/2024. Title is Sheets. So sheet. So sheet, and then we have the whole program, so that's nice. And now what we do is we take system again, close this. So wait for any system.system thread, system.logic thread. Okay, then I'm gonna put I gonna do it like that though? Yeah, I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna remove it out of here. Put it here. I made a mistake. Okay, I think this should work. Okay, no, there is an issue. That is the index, a global input, a null value. In library, wait, coworker, library, system 21. No clue why this didn't. Okay. Let's try that again. Everything doesn't seem to be working. God damn it. Okay, so coworker library system. Okay, it's still the freaking system. In 4.2. 4.2, 4.2, 4.2, 4.2. Attempted to index global input. Oh wait, no, I'm not in the system. 4.2, 4.2. Attempted to index global input, so it's input again. It's a lot of these stray inputs. Okay, so they should do it right. Okay, that works, that works. Enter. Okay, everything works. So now we have a shorter file, which is intended. I mean, I should still like put these into like its own function and all that stuff, but right now this is going to be fine. This is going to be fine for now. Yeah, this is going to be fine for now. Now, in order to test if this library works the way how I intend it to work, is I can technically copy all of this, create a new program. I'm gonna call it team.lua. Let's make teams. Let's make teams. That's fine. The title is gonna be team. That is set up. Black, that's fine. Set cursor and white, green. I'm gonna change this to purple. Is there a nice purple color? Let's look. Don't like that purple. Do I like a? Let's put. Yeah, let's put purple in here. That's fine. All right, purple. Clear line, do that. It should create a trigger pattern, but we're not gonna do that. I don't like any of that. Actually, no, wait. I should write that. Yeah, I should do that. Okay. So, and then all of this I'm just going to not do at all. So this is just basic, really basic. So I do exit now, exit, and I run team instead, there we have it, we have team. We have team. I would like a more darker side purple. Maybe I should use blue instead. No, because blue is going to be word. Blue is definitely going to be word. Alright, it's actually faster. I really thought I was going to have an issue with this. I wonder, I'm going to continue with sheets or team. I should probably do some refactoring in this. Yeah, let's do some refactoring in sheets. So I'm gonna not go down the team path right now. Oh, I don't have a way to exit. Okay, so first of all, let's put some stuff in functions that we're going to reuse. So local function, draw title. Which is the code responsible for this. Draw title bar. So let's just call it title bar, like that. Drop title bar. This is responsible for drawing the title bar. And now I can just call draw title bar. I should also have a function called local function clear screen. And that is just going to be, I'm not going to do that specifically because who knows, but I will put that in there. There, and now we can just call clear screen. It's right here. This is something to reset all the color changes done in here. Technically, we should probably do that at the end of this function. At functions that change the freaking color thing. So yeah, let's get rid of that. This is to draw the table. So local function draw checker board. Oh, what? Oh, whoops, that didn't work. Okay. Draw checkerboard. Oh, it's getting a lot cleaner now. This, if input string update, then should we put this? This is yeah, let's put this into a function. Local function draw text field. Draw text field. Draw a text field into 2 for now. And then if this is technically part of that, isn't it? Oh. So for now, let's do that. Draw text field is that own thing. Oh yeah, the code is a lot cleaner now. So technically, nothing should have changed about it. And it should look exactly the same. It does look exactly the same. And it should operate exactly the same. I should still be able to exit exactly the same. Yeah, it does. Works exactly as intended. That's all fine. Okay. Like that. Okay. So we got 90 lines, and we already got all of this. Now I was thinking about it, and I don't think I will draw a text field. So I should be able to like now stop drawing the text field just by doing this. I can still exit by typing exit, but it doesn't. That's good. That's really good. It's a checkerboard. I should probably put some rules in that checkerboard. Like Y and the X. Yeah. And then technically I should probably also do X2, Y2, because that just is way more polite. X2. I still need to like completely figure this out because I'm not doing this one justice incorrectly and all that stuff. So what I now have to do is I have to tell it where to start. It's going to be 1, 2, I'm not mistaken. And also I need to give the size. Like that. And now if I do /exit, then the program breaks down as expected. So it drew the first one correctly. If I do a read here, let's just run out for debugging. Oh, I think I see what's going on here. So x do equals to reset x. That didn't work. Maybe if I do arithmetic on it, it works. No. Oh, x. Boom, fixed it. So now we should be able to like, what we need to like do here extra is first of all offset it. So we have this bar. And we need to like say what cell we're in. Actually, no, we need to keep it normal and have the programmer do it automatically on its own. Now, what I need to do is I need to do a little for loop for I equals to 1 to x do, and what we need to do is we need to set the cursor to terminal set cursor position to I one, and then write I. For now, write I. Now we're going to do the same here for Y. what will this do? Nothing good, unfortunately. Ah, well, that sort of did it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Of course, it doesn't have enough space for 10. We should probably leave 4 digits. Ah, it's not gonna work for that. Wrong one. That'll do. Divided by 6 times 6. It's weird that it starts at 2. It starts at 1. And that's because I'm doing it wrong, that's why. Because we gave it 2 in the main function. We told it 1 and then 2. And that's why. Funny that that thing is already centered for some reason. Don't know why that is. We need to identify if any of these starts at anything except 1 and it just gets the offset. Actually, can I not just do that? Isn't the offset always like y? Offset isn't like you do what you want to have minus what you have, and then you add that together. Yeah, that works. Okay. So now we have one. Okay. And what I think is wrong with this is because this should be -1. But it actually can have enough. Hmm. Hmm. It's probably just a cheap fix, but I'll fix other shit later. Wait, that didn't work. What? Because I'm adding it to the wrong thing. No, it's a cheap fix, but that will work. But I want that number to start here, so I don't know why that is. Actually, I think this thing actually has like this exact same. You know, it's a happy coincidence that I'm just going to use. There we go. So now we can see exactly what the offset is for each one of these. Yeah. And it would be cool if we can like select one and then start writing in it, right? That'd be really cool. That would be the next step, the next logical step. Although that requires being able to have input control. So that requires me to make some adjustments to the system. And that would be input mouse click. Mouse click is -1 by default. And then we have mouse X for the X position, which is -1, and mouse Y, which is -1 by default. And the system but that's there. Actually, I'm gonna put this afterwards because we can do some checks with that. And one of those checks is if actually no. Program is responsible for the things. It's the system only provides basic functionality. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. The system is responsible for all this. So I'm gonna make a local function UI button. Actually, no, I'm just gonna call it button. Function button, which has an X, Y, an X2, and a Y2. And that's it. That's basically it. That's because oh, actually, we don't need to do all of that because we have this, which is really handy. I'm gonna save that right here. I can just do if button then end, and what will feed it is we'll give it we can just give it coordinates, and I'm just going to give it the top left coordinate, which should be system, damn it, why you're not typing, system dot input dot terminal size x 1, and then the exact same and then what this thing is gonna do. Oh, except we should also like have one more, which is the button. So we're gonna call it B for button, and it's also gonna be 1 because we want left click. And then what we can do is if x system dot input dot mouse x x2 y and then we have one more, it is b equals the system input mouse click. And then what we will execute is, where did I put it? Oh, I already put it in place. Okay. Now return true, because it's what we're looking for. However, if we got all the way through here, it means it failed, so return false. Okay, so this should work. So now if I click here, the program should exit. Right. It does not. Build event helper, you run. Event debugger. Maybe, I don't know, Kestin, maybe we need to set this actually up, you idiot. Yeah, that could probably work. I am not sure. I could be very wrong here. But I have a feeling. I just have a feeling. So if I do... Now I'll do this from scratch. If e equals to mouse underscore click, because that's the event, then this is what we'll do. We'll then and library input mouse click equals to the button mouse x equals to x, mouse y equals to y. Attempted to index a global library in null value in sheets 112. Sheets 112. Yeah, we closed the program. Okay, so now we can redraw the title bar, because there are a few things that need changing. First of all, exit is no longer an actual option. And I'm gonna put this here. I'll write a big old eggs to close the program. Yeah, looking good. Yeah, this is exactly how I want it. Now I am thinking, should I maybe change the color of these a bit? No, actually, what I should focus on is changing. Wait. Changing these top ones to the alphabet. So, should I just make a table for that? Like, local... Actually, how do you actually write alphabet? Basically, I wrote it. A, B, C, D, E, F, Q, R, S, D, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I have one question about this whole thing. Could I have just Yep, I could have just done that. Okay, that works. Okay, gone with you. I kind of want to center these first ones. There's a cheap trick I could do. I could just do, like, if it's the first couple, center them. I could just do if I lower than 10. I'm like this. This looks unintentional. There we go. All right. So we have this, we have this. I don't know what we're gonna do in this little corner here. I don't know how. Well, we can say what cell we're currently on. But that's something for something else. Or for some other time. No, let's reboot the program for no freaking reason. I do low-key kind of want like that. It just fits nicer on the screen. It just looks nicer. I do kind of feel like we should deprecate this. Yeah. Yeah. Let's deprecate that. Do like library.screen instead. The system screen. System screen. I could do a local app version and local app title. Normally version was never really used. It was more of a do it. Version is not really used. It's more like for informant if you open the script. It's, I don't know. I might put it into some about page if I ever put it in here. I don't know if I'm still trying to close a program like this. Okay, it works. So yeah, we deprecated that. We don't really need that. It made no sense for that to be there. I do have to look around it. System.app. Yeah, no. Oh, no. What are you doing? Good. Okay, so this should technically work. So coworker sheets. Wait, is it actually coworker sheets? Yeah, it's called sheets, not sheet. But I'm gonna actually rename that to coworker sheet because coworker sheet. Coworker sheet. That's the program's name. Now, I think coworker.team does now not work because like that, and it's now just system screen. All right, we got that one working again. This button function is so handy. I think I might actually implement it into this API instead. That's how handy that function is. So go library dot button. What am I doing? Like that. And then we'll remove it from here. Put it in here. There we go. So that didn't work because system not a null value. 555. Oh yeah, this works so well. Why does it work so well? It feels so nice. Okay, so there we go, there we go. Technically we don't need all of this anymore. But the code feels way cleaner now. What? Oh, /exit still quit the program in an odd way. Wait, I didn't know exit could work with. Oh, I didn't know about that. So /exit returns the thing, but I just Alright, so that worked. Okay, that is now fixed. Technically, I guess, in the way how I set this up, text field would also not be a bad function to put in the system instead. All right. Now we do need to be careful with what we and how we actually use this text field, because the text field just needs doesn't. Input. Wait, how was it cleared? When I press next line, it does this. I don't think this should be platform specific. This should be program specific. This is not a line that should exist here. It is allowed, however, to exist here though. Same here. Oh boy. Oh, same bug. Yeah. Okay, now it works. Everything works. Oh, I didn't actually mean to resize that. Although I thought I saw, but oh no, that's not a bug. That's just the way the program is set up at the moment. Ah, and the program crashes when you try to create a thing too big. I should probably fix that as well. I need if I alphabet, so alphabet, I need to make this a weird alphabet drawer thing. Of one. So this 2 and of 3, which is this divided by 100 divided by 10. And we also need to make it like a repeat. Can I hijack? I was going to hijack math, the math function, but I might as well make it into system actually. Function library dot repeat, which number max number and repeat. And what we're going to do is number is equals to minus, so equals to number minus and divisible by r times R math seal math the floor. So if I now do system dot repeat this system dot repeat system dot repeat. I should probably put that in a different library. If alf1 equals to nil, then alf1 end. Same with 2 and 3, same with 2 and 3. And then we have alf1, alf2. Actually, no, it's the other way around. It's alf3, alf2, alf1. System attempted to perform arithmetic on local R, a nil value. Oh yeah, I have to. I mean, there's a written alphabet. I kind of forgot. $26. I think I have to type in 27 instead. That's not good. Why don't you... Maybe Kestin. Not sure. Not sure. I could be wrong, Kestin. I could be very, very, very wrong. But someone tells me this is going to fix it. that. Did not fix it. Why? I mean, it did fix it, but not to the point that I thought it would work. This is displaying something, right? Do I have to pull up a calculator for me to understand this? 1 divided by 10 is 0.1. Fluoride and you get 0, right? Or am I the stupid one here? Surprise, surprise. Why doesn't that surprise me at all, actually? Oh, and of course, I'm being a complete stupid ass and getting this wrong. And I'm getting it wrong twice, funny enough. Get that. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A. So we're getting an A. Let's first fix one before we fix all of them. What do we say about that? So set disappears. Sorry, C disappears. Because it's giving us a 0. That's why. Hmm. I'm just throwing stuff at the wall here. But it does seem to work. Technically that should work. Not sure. A why? Why? Oh, why? Oh, flippin' why? I'm just gonna do this. It's not gonna fix it. It's definitely still broken, but I'm too tired. It looks like it's going to work, and that's all. Yes, this works. Okay, so now it fixed. It is working. That's all that matters. It's working. I don't care if it's actually not working, because it is working, and you need to shut up. Because this is working. Alright, it's working. That's all I care about. I mean, it looks like it works, and so that means that it is work. So it works. That's how things work. Okay. I think I'm gonna take a quick break from this. And I'm going to focus on the other program because it looks more exciting, honestly. Oh, no, not. This one looks a lot more exciting, not gonna lie. So this is technically a this is just a chat program, so we need to be able to chat over a network. That means we need to actually have two computers. I wonder. No, those are not gonna talk. This is kind of annoying. How am I going to emulate another computer? I mean, I can, but then I have to do some weird stuff. Thing is, I can attach another computer, but then what I need to do is I constantly copy the files to the other computer, constantly copy the files to the other computer, constantly copy the files to the other computer. That's gonna be a pain in the ass. I mean, this is technically Linux. I could just make a portal back to this computer, and it'd have no clue. It would have no freaking clue. I can mount a directory, that is a possibility. Oh, there's the paste. Wait, really? I can't do it. Look at this. That's... I'm not gonna lie, that's really cool. Pasting is its own. I'm going completely off the rails here because I don't want to do the whole. I kind of want to focus on a chat. I always want a cool little chat thing. Attach list. What can we attach? So if we do attach computer one, could not attach peripheral. All right. So now if I do mount, is it just lagging? Okay, yeah, it broke for some reason. Okay, so let's do this again. Attach one computer. Okay. This thing is unresponsive. This is both unresponsive. So mount. Yeah, it becomes immediately unresponsive. Why? Yeah, it just becomes unresponsive, and I don't know why. try one more time. One computer. I honestly have a feeling that the thing has no idea which program is currently focused. Okay, so mount. So I better slash mount slash on computer 0. The script is attempting to mount the real path read only, which actually that's kind of fine. So I now do co-worker. Come on, you can do it. I think the program is very confused on which side I am talking to. See? It is running on a different thread. It's just the way how it's handling this doesn't quite work well, huh? I cannot even exit out of... Why does it say sheet? Oh, because I forgot to change that. Alright, actually, how am I opening this up? Let me take a look. I'm using Flatpak. And I'm using the accelerated version. So if I... got something... Flatpak, help. What do I do? Flatpak install cc Craftos-PC What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the accelerated part. Because I think that's causing issues. No, waiting for this thing to install. Yes, microphone access for what? What? Craftos-PC microphone. No. Okay, weird. And the Flatpak Hub says that it has access to the microphone. I was like, what? Why? Is there a microphone function? That would be really cool. We can have voice over IP. Can you imagine that? I know a thing or two about speakers. I think a little bit too much. Okay, so it opened it up. This time it should be the non-accelerated version that is running. So if I do attach one computer, it opens another computer, and this one should just work. So if I do mount slash, wait, just mount first, and so I can see it. So mount slash computer slash 0. A prompt will appear. It didn't work. Yeah, we should definitely not do this, but whatever. Seriously, I have to reboot the program now. Attach one computer. Mount. That makes sense. Mount slash to computer 0. Yeah, now I can do coworker D. Yeah, and I can do the same thing here, coworker D, and it's running on the same computer. It does have no clue that we're actually running it on. Oh, this this was like hacking, but this makes my life easier. So should I make a custom API for this? API library. I mean, this library is going to have to do a lot of stuff in the future, so might as well. Networking.lua. Actually, I'm gonna quickly, because I try to like keep some naming schemes like how C# stuff is. I'm gonna cheat a little. Let me just. It's called socket. Sockets. So if I just do socket as my API, the API is just going to be called socket. And so I'm just going to have a socket API library. Not API. I need to stop saying API. It's a library. We should probably then have a function. Receive. What about receive thing thread? Like receiving thread? And that's going to like be responsible for receiving stuff, and then we're going to have a function called broadcast, because we're just going to broadcast stuff. So there is a red net thing. So everything is like in ROM. Let's just cd into ROM. CD APIs. Actually, where is ROM? Oh, it is an app shared. Hmm. I'm just trying to figure out how this thing works. How RedNet works. Excuse me. Variable lib. App. Yes. APIs, we're here. Okay, I just need to see. Let's just open it normally. In order to send a message between two computers, each computer must have a modem on one of its sides. Blah blah blah. Once RedNet is open, you can send messages using network security. While RedNet provides a friendly way to send messages to specific computers, it doesn't provide any guarantee about security. The computers could be listening into the messages or even pretending to send messages from another computer. If you're playing on a multiplayer server, or at least on one you don't trust other players, it's worth encrypting or sending your RedNet messages. It accepts protocol simple during So in order to open it, expect one modem string purple dot get type modem then error no such modem purple call modem open. Okay, close. Oh wow, this is some very complicated stuff going on here. Do I really want to copy all of this and do it myself? I mean, it's not that actually complicated. Now I really think about it. But what is expect? Expects one modem string. If what is expecting? Library provides helper functions for verifying that function arguments are well formed and of the correct type. Expect an argument to have a specific based argument, the value, the so when we do open, it expects one modem string. If peripheral dot get type modem not equals to modem, then error no such modem. Peripheral call modem open IDS channel and we can provide a channel / port. IDS channel, which is ID or OS that. What does this percent operator do? Oh, that is what this percentage does. Huh. That is quite unique. Modem open, that, close, expect, if modem, then close specific modem, else close all modems. function is open modem. Okay, check if modem is open, check if the Pacific modem is open. Okay. Assuming the target was in range and also had correct open modem, the target computer may use rednet.receive to collect a message. Alright. Oh, what? Message ID, math random. Generate probably a unique message ID. We could do other things to guarantee uniqueness, but we really don't need to store it to ensure we don't get our own message back. That kinda makes sense. Recipient, expect a number, protocol. And the message wrapper is this. Transmit. So really, this is all we really need to do is peripheral, call, modem, transmit, recipient, reply channel, broadcast. See, this is what we really want. Wait, there's a channel broadcast channel? Ah, the broadcast channel is just its own thing. Receive. Oh, let's pull event filter. Here's the first matching RedNet message. Okay, this is all very complicated stuff, and at the same time not. Like, basically I can just strip it down to something much simpler, which knowing me, that is what I will do. And by stripping it down that much, okay. So here's what I'm gonna do. Wait, what is this? This automatically starts in the background on a computer starting up, and this should be called manually. Should not be called manually. What? Listen for modem messages and convert them into RedNet messages, which may then be received. This is automatically started in the background on computer startup. What? This should not be called manually. Run if started, then RedNet is already true. While through dual local event P1, P2, P3, P4, OS pull event raw. If event modem message, then get a modem message and process it. Why? How is this get cold? The computer calls this function. You know, I'm not even gonna bother. This stuff is going way above my pay grade. Holy sh. I mean, I kind of understand it, how it kind of works. But all of this stuff is here. Maybe you might as well use it, right? I mean, it's right here. Might as well use it. But I also don't want to use it because I kind of want this program to be as detached from Computercraft as much as possible. I kind of want this thing to feel very premium and stable, and that's why I want everything to be under my control. Okay, suck it up and actually do it. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, you heard me. I'm gonna suck it up. Suck it up, Reed. Okay. We're gonna get this. Yeah, I'm gonna make a open socket. this is what we need to do in order to open the socket. We need to get modem. We just need to find a peripheral called modem. So peripheral find. So local modem equals to peripheral find modem. So, and the socket requires you to give it a port. If Lua shift type port I am confusion. Don't know how that works. Type. Oh no, I shouldn't be editing this. Okay, I need to edit this instead. It's not equals to an int. Actually, print type 1. It's a number. Okay, so this is a number. If that not number, then error no port. Actually, you know what? Return. I'm just not even gonna bother. It's gonna make it really hard later on me, but it's whatever. I don't think I need to. I might close it. We don't need to give anything, right? No, we actually do. Boom. So now we can open and close a thing. It is so flipping cheap. Look at this big ass file. That is a bunch of error checking, all that shit. This is what I'm making out of it. I'm literally just stripping it down to its bare naked minimumness. But that's me. I love it like this. And now we're gonna have a socket dot. Right. You provide a message and a port. So if I could just look up where broadcast is. Host. Look up. Receive. I'll figure that out later. Broadcast here. So this is a very simple function. Very simple. Yeah. Send broadcast channel message protocol. Oh, it just uses the normal send function? Oh no. Okay. Transmit recipient. Recipient. What is reply channel? Do we have to transmit that? Let's actually look that up. Can I just... My apologies. it is a very specific thing. You need a channel number, a reply channel number. It sends a message and a reply channel over the specific channel that the message may be any type of data, excluding functions and threads, which will be received as nil prior about. Okay, example, send a string message. Prior to about CC 1.53, tables were also received as null. We can send tables now if we really want to. Send a message in a reply channel over so we do modem transmit. This is the thing. Actually, I'm going to write this thing different. Modem, we're gonna save because it's kind of important. If nil. So what we're going to do instead, if modem equals to nil, then we're going to try and find modem. But once we found it, we will not do that anymore because we already have it, and we're just going to use that. And what we can do, very simple, we can do modem open. So we can do modem open and then a channel number. So all we have to do is do this. Then we can also do modem close, and we just need to provide a port again, like a channel. And then in order to send or to transmit, we just need to call that dot transmit. We need to give it a channel, a reply channel. We're just going to give the same thing. Then a message. For now, I'm gonna say hello world, which is very typical, obviously. Modem dot get name remote. Modem is wireless. Close all. Okay, you know, receiving, however, is going to stay. that's going to be its own thing. But based on what I saw down here, is receiving is also just an event that runs. But it uses pull event raw, funny enough. Does pull event raw not? Receive call back. B1 is the modem. B2 is a channel. B3 is a channel reply and a message. Event, modem, channel, reply, message. If channel, so if not, no, we're just gonna do if channel equals to port, then we continue. System, I'm also gonna socket, which is obviously socket and we have a big error. Not found. Field package preload, then expected in 5. Then what do I have with this damn thing? Okay, now it's running. Okay, we got it running again. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do socket dot. Need to look up my own stuff. We need to socket dot open. Port. Wait, that's kind of strange. I didn't know that the real Teams uses that port. And you know what? I wonder what Discord uses. Same. Since it's insecure, for now I'm gonna use 80 because it's insecure. Get it? It's so stupid. Now I could use socket dot receive thread. Socket dot receive callback is equals to local function. I think we can do a local function. Receive message. I'm gonna call it message. We could just print it for now. Actually, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna terminal.set cursor position to 1-3 terminal.clear line and write text utils dot serialize this. Coworker attempted to receive thread. Coworker library socket 8 attempted to index up value modem at 8. Right, because it tries to open it and it doesn't actually find a modem. Error. No modem. So it doesn't find a modem. So let's attach one. Attach. Attach dot modem. Okay, that worked. What I'm gonna do too, for now, is I'm going to socket dot socket right. I'm not gonna call it right. I'm gonna call it socket dot send. Socket send this. Okay, socket. There is a bug with the carrot. Besides, this wasn't really that easy to fix. I was kind of expecting to get a feedback loop. What about error? Error. It's... nothing happens. So these are indeed all the meaning the modem isn't receiving anything. Why is the modem not receiving anything? Library.
watch opened. And funny enough, nothing arrives. I mean, that's pretty clear, isn't it?
My brain is confusion. Okay. I'm not even gonna make a mention of that. So we send, when we want to send, we do not provide a port. And this way, we don't need to provide port every time. Actually, I'm going to keep that like that. Okay. No, it didn't work. For port could not be opened. This port will become equals to open port. Start again. Okay, test. Consider as type function. That's not good. Socket send system input string. No, I'm just being a damn idiot. Don't know why there's a Yes. Oh, that's so nice. No RedNet, no nothing, just custom API. The socket API. API library. It's just so much better when you can just do it yourself. Right. Now I am thinking that I'll keep what we have for now here, because the next step for team would be RSA and asymmetric encryption. So asymmetric encryption and symmetric encryption. So RSA and AES. Yeah, I'm gonna do I'll do that next. Even though this whole stream is about Excel. Sorry, not Excel. Sheet. And technically, even though Sheet is visually functional, it's not logically functional for now. Compared to Team. Team is already doing a really good start here. It's a global... Actually, that's not a bad idea to actually allow Team to have like a global thing that like talk server wide. That would be cool. You can like message across the entire server, give like updates. They're gonna be like, hey everyone, everyone, I have opened a new shop at XXZZ. Come visit. And then this guy can be like, ooh. Ooh, nice, be right there. That'd be cool, wouldn't it? Be so cool. Okay. Well, next stream, we're gonna do that. For now, see you guys later. Goodbye, world.